All right, yo, welcome back to my channel. This is Hunter with Van Houten Builds, and I just wanted to take a quick sec and give you guys an update. I know it's been a while since I posted, and there's a reason for that. The main reason being, this right here. Just give me a second. Right here. I got nothing. There's no engine, no transmission, no anything. So good times. That is currently at the machine shop still. Unfortunately, it sucks. The machine shop was raided, and they ended up picking up 3 of their engine builders that have been there for like 20 years. So they are like super short staffed because of that at the machine shop, which sucks. So I don't know when I'm going to get my engine back. I'm hopefully going to get it back soon. What I ended up doing is finding a roller block because I decided I wanted to go, instead of like the hydraulic flat tappet lifters, after so many people recommended, like, don't do that, go like roller. It's just going to make life easier. You're going to have a way easier time breaking the car in. So I decided to find a roller block, and I was able to find one for $150, and it came with the crankshaft, and it came with the pistons and piston rods. So that was really good. That was a good deal. It had already been bored 4 over. We're going to go 6. Shouldn't be a problem. I'm not hot rodding this thing. I'm not going to be, racing it or anything. Just going to be a weekend cruiser. Doesn't get that hot here. I have good cooling system, with my radiator setup. So machine shop told me it should be fine to go 6 over. If not, worst case, I can always figure something out, grab another block or something. But once I get that back, then we will continue on our journey, because I realize I haven't been able to post that much because I literally don't have anything else to do with this other than like maybe the stereo system, like the sound system. Like everything's pretty much done and ready and good to go, just pinning the engine and transmission. So I just wanted to bring you guys a quick update here and let you know kind of where things were, let you know, hey, I'm still around, I'm still here. I got a polisher, and just to keep myself busy, I've been like polishing things up. So that's why it's all nice and shiny. So I've been polishing things up just for the hell of it. So yeah, not much else going on. Hopefully gonna get that soon. Gonna make a video on the install, break it, break in, all that good stuff, and then go from there. I also have been looking for a new project, so I'm actually gonna go and take a look at a new project tonight. It should be pretty cool. I don't know. I kind of want to go with either a fastback or a convertible for my next project, so fastback Mustang or convertible Mustang, and or a 356 Porsche build, which would mean not an original 356. Obviously, couldn't afford that. That's insane. But a replica. So doing like the VW chassis, pan, all that good stuff from the Bug, and then putting the fiberglass body on it. I don't know. You guys let me know what you want to see in the next build. Like, we could even go Chevy with it. Like, I've been a huge fan of like Novas, like mid 60s, Chevys. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just looking for deals. I'm constantly hunting online, constantly looking every day, on Marketplace, like I'm sure y'all are too. Even if you can't afford it, it's fun to always look and inquire about things. So anyways, guys, let me know what you want to see for my next project, because I'm currently out there looking for something and want to find the right project. Want to find something everybody wants to see too. Like, I know what I'm passionate about, and I'll obviously end up going with something along those lines. But just curious what you guys want to see. I know you love the Mustang stuff. Maybe a different year. I love 67s. If I could find a 69 or 70 Mach 1, which I did find one, but it's a little bit out of my price range, just like the littlest bit. But if I could find one of those, that would be amazing. If I could find anything up to a 69 convertible, so 64 and a half through 69, I would love that. But yeah, let me know. what you guys think and what you guys want to see, because we're almost done with this. And once the engine's in, transmission's in, next project, like we're moving on. Also, I don't even know if I updated everybody. The Bronco, the 75 Bronco I had that was going to be the next project, that did not end up working out. We ended up selling that. Unfortunately, it was a long story, but that was sold, and now I don't have another project ready. So yeah, that's why we're looking. All right. Thank you guys so much for just tuning in, checking out this update video. I really appreciate all your support. Thank you for following along with just everything. It does mean a lot. And yeah, just stay tuned. I'm going to be posting more soon. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.